Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and we're going to talk about types of winter mulch. Now there's basically two different types and two different reasons you would use these. In the summer we tend to want to keep moisture in, so we use mulch for that purpose. In the winter we want to not necessarily keep things warm, we want to keep things even. So the idea is to keep the temperature of the ground even. So you can either go with something like this compost, which will also add nutrition, which is one of the reasons we like to use that in the fall, because it gives nutrition and it breaks down and basically goes down into the soil. But sometimes we just want a blanket of air. Now if what you want to do is just really protect a cold plant, for instance, you might want to use full-size leaves like this. Or if you've got a ground cover or smaller plants or perennials that are down under the ground, you may want to shred it. Now the main difference is that in the spring, this kind of thing is going to create a thick mat that you've got to move away later. So by shredding your leaves, you can see where I'm allowing air in. So what you have to decide is, do I want to hold air down or do I want to let air in? So I've got some really large maple leaves, and they're going to work really well to create a totally impervious blanket. But they're not necessarily going to break down really fast for nutrition. So if you want just a blanket, you can use straw, you can use shredded newspaper, you can use bark. You can use a lot of materials that break down slowly just to keep things warm, or you can use compost, which will also provide nutrition. So winter mulch or winter compost, it's your choice.